Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan Khan, spends his fourth night in NCB custody in Mumbai cruise drug bust case. Aryan is currently in NCB custody until the 7th of October, which is tomorrow. In fact, personal phones of Aryan Khan and other accused have also been sent for forensic tests. The NCB claims the WhatsApp chats in the phones suggest links to drug peddlers and deals. Aryan, meanwhile, got some science books, which he had asked for. In fact, Aryan is also being provided with food from National Hindu Restaurant, which is near the NCB office. Amid the ongoing investigation, Shah Rukh Khan fans gathered outside his house, Mannat, extended their support to him. In fact, NCB has now intercepted another identified person here who's currently under scanner, Anchit Kumar. Anchit Kumar, who is another accused here in the case, is being taken to the NCB office. The Narcotics Control Bureau earlier arrested 4 people from Delhi-based company, the event company which organized this event, Namaskre, which had organized this cruise party there, which got busted twice over, once while it was just leaving and once after the cruise returned. The arrested accused include additional director of Namaskre, Gopal Ji Anand. The NCB had seized 2.5 grams of ecstasy, 54 grams of mephedrone, small quantity of charas and weed from the accused. The NCB officials want to find out if the organizers really had any knowledge about drug deals on board that cruise ship and also if there was any use of narcotics inside.
तो देखिए, आज हमने और 4 अरेस्ट किए हैं जो ऑर्गेनाइजर्स थे इस पार्टी का एंड उन्हें भी एनसीबी कस्टडी के लिए कल हम लोग रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे। कल उन्हें माननीय न्यायालय के सामने प्रस्तुत करेंगे। तो हमें कहना था, हमने ऑनरेबल कोर्ट के सामने कह दिया है, वो शेयर नहीं कर सकते आपके साथ।
The first 2 are suppliers. The third and the fourth person were guests on this particular cruise line. Links nexus has to be found out with the other persons who have been already apprehended. For a thorough investigation, these persons need to be confronted, and in order to do a proper investigation for the pursuit of truth, it is necessary and expedient both that all of them be confronted so that a proper investigation can be done.
कोर्ट ने उनकी कस्टडी 11 अक्टूबर तक की एनसीबी को दी है। उसमें कोर्ट ने बोला है कि थॉरो इन्वेस्टिगेशन की जरूरत है, बस उसकी सेफ्टी के पर्पज से उसको कवर करके ले जाया गया है। जैसे आप लोगों को पता है, एनडीपीएस एक्ट में और भी लोग होते हैं, एलिमेंट्स होते हैं, कोई आदमी के पास से क्वांटिटी मिलती है तो लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग होता है ये थोड़ा। मैंने प्रे किया था कि शॉर्टेस्ट टाइम ऑफ कस्टडी देनी चाहिए एनसीबी को, एंड वी आर रेडी टू कोऑपरेट विद द इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एजेंसी। हम लोगों को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अब्दुल कादिर एक 8 to 5 जॉब करने वाला आदमी है जिसने आज तक इसके ऊपर कोई केस नहीं है। एनसीबी ने अरेस्ट करने का रीजन नहीं, वो बोल रहे हैं अक्यूज नंबर 1 और 2 पेडलर थे, बाकी लोगों को इन लोगों ने ड्रग्स दिए। वेरएज ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन अभी पेंडिंग है, तो इस पर हम कंक्लूड नहीं कर सकते।
Now, India Today exclusively spoke to Aryan Khan's co-accused Arbaz Merchant's father, lawyer Aslam Merchant, and here's what he said. He spoke about Aryan and Arbaz being friends for 15 years, adding that both of them are cooperating with that probe.
Till the time everything is proved in the court, nothing is correct. So we are just, as I said, matter of the post. दोनों अच्छे दोस्त थे, भगवान दोस्त की नजर न लगाए। From that point of view, they are innocent. तो मैंने कहा बेटा कोई दिक्कत नहीं, अभी ऊपर है, जब भी जैसा भी बुलाया जाता है वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन में सपोर्ट दे रहा है, साथ दे रहा है। सच्चाई निकलना जरूरी है, क्योंकि बेगुनाह निकलना जरूरी है। मैंने कहा बेटा तू रह जा, एंड इज ओके। वो भी है, आर्यन भी, वी डिडंट ओपोज, कोई भागे नहीं, कोई अपोजिशन नहीं करे, कुछ नहीं करे, एंड वी आर कोऑपरेटिंग। आई मीन एनसीबी इज कोऑपरेटिंग, वी आर कोऑपरेटिंग टू।
Well, let me get across to Divyesh joining us live for more on that, who's right outside the NCB office. Divyesh, we know now that even the organizers finally, after the cruise went for a long 3-day musical voyage, they came around back again, docked in Mumbai, and the NCB raided that ship once more, found a lot more drugs in that ship, and finally the organizers have also been called in. A few of them have been arrested. If you can take us through the charges that have been slapped on them, and what more do we know of Aryan and Arbaz currently in custody?
Nabila, Aryan has been booked for consumption, though the sections are 8C, 27, 20B against him. But the prosecution, while addressing the court, clearly stated that Aryan Khan has been booked only for consumption. There was no drugs found on him, while Arbaz Merchant has been booked for consumption, and also drugs were found on him. 6 grams of charas was found on Arbaz Merchant. He has also been booked for purchase of a banned narcotic item, that is section 27 and 20B. Other than that, he has also been booked for procurement of banned narcotic substances. So these are the charges against the 2 accused, while there are several other charges. There are peddlers also who have been arrested in this particular case, who had supplied drugs to some other revelers or other accused who were arrested by NCB, and they have also been booked for under 27A, sections 27A of NDPS Act, for sale of banned narcotic items, for harboring accused, and several other sections of the NDPS Act. Meanwhile, Aryan and Arbaz remain in the custody of Narcotics Control Bureau till tomorrow. Tomorrow they will be produced in court again, and further the court will decide whether to extend their custody or send them to judicial custody. Nabila?
Thank you very much, Divyesh, for joining us with those details. We're going to continue tracking those developments right here on India Today.